Now what next? If you are trading the commodities, we have some good setups on the agricultural commodities. I'm going to explain just one of them, sugar. So on the monthly time frame, we got a bullish divergence, lower high formation on the charts, but higher low formation on MACD lines, and then a break above this structure. But it could not break the previous structure high, previous highest point swing high. It just got stuck in between. Turning to weekly now. On the weekly, we have a clear bearish divergence on the charts, clearly visible. So now what next? We need to mark the structure. I'm clearing the lines and marking the structure. We got the break below the structure, a minor break, but a break is a break, whether it's a minor or a major one. The major one is definitely signifies a stronger movement, but still we have a break, and we are going to mark the fib retracement from the highest to the lowest, and I'm looking for the pullback towards 50 to 61 and then continuation lower, or a pullback towards 61 to 78 and then continuation lower. So this is the plan on medium term to long term basis. Now what's the plan as per the lower time frames? Turning to daily. On the daily, we can see highest point, which is here, then a lower high, again a lower high, a low and a lower low, followed by a low, a series of lower highs and lower lows. So this means a bearish setup, but I am looking for the pullback. So I'm going to mark the falling trend line starting from the highest, connecting the high points. So either we are going to get a pullback towards this area, which is around 50%, and then continuation lower, or we can have a false break of the falling trend line and then continuation lower. So I have a question: can we trade for the short-term buy setups? Let's look on 4 hourly. Okay, the lowest point, the second lowest point, we do not have a clear bullish divergence, but we definitely have a break above this structure, and I'm going to check it on 1 hourly. It should be clearly visible on 1 hour. Yes, so we have a bullish divergence on 1 hourly, followed by the break of the structure, this high. So not a clear break, it has just reached the structure level. So let's mark a horizontal line. So if we get a break above this level, we can definitely look for the pullback for the short-term buys starting from this low, assuming we get a break here. We get the highest point here, the new high. So we can definitely look something like this, look for something like this, a pullback towards 61 and then continuation towards this falling trend line. So it's going to be a short-term buy scenario, or maybe towards this area, but it's going to be aggressive because it will be against the higher time frame setup. So better let it go higher. Okay, wait for the setup and make a sell trade, which is going to be as per the higher time frame setup, high probability of getting profit.